What's going on, guys? This is Mike, Three Dogs Adventures. I get so excited every time we plan a trip, and today I got one for you today, or we got one for you today. We're going over to some family property over. My brother got a farm over at Thomasville. We headed over there. Look like it's gonna storm here in a little bit, which we need some rain. Everything is so stinking dry. Just everything is dry. But you can see them old dark clouds back here behind us. But I got everything loaded up. This is my old Ford. Let me turn this camera around where y'all can see. There's my dogs. All right, there's my old Ford. Got old 86 Ford. Got my bed and all in the back. I'll be a little bit more specific when we get over yonder, show you a little bit more detail on it. But we got the side by side loaded up. I'm carrying a generator this trip because it's so hot. I figured I'd get out here and brave this hot weather. I got multiple things going on here at one time, guys, but loading my camera gear up. But it's so stinking hot. I got me a little I got a little air conditioner that I bought. It's brand new. I bought it for another project that I got going on. And I got thinking today, I said, well shucks, I can put that little air conditioner right here on the tailgate, and I got a little, the way I got it blocked off in there, man. I think it's gonna work great. But I'll show it to you when we get over and get everything set up. But man, I'm excited about this trip. Be nice to get over there and just camp in some rain. Just let it rain. That'll be sweet. I'm not gonna get out and do nothing. I ain't planning on catching no fish or nothing like that. We're just gonna go over and spend the night, do some cooking, of course. Cook the dogs some hamburgers. I think I'm gonna have hamburgers tonight, but we'll get over and see what all kind of groceries I got, and we'll figure this thing out together. But I just wanted to show you my rig that I got. I got several different ways of camping, and we're gonna enjoy every one of them in the next few months, especially once it gets cold, gets turning cool, man. I'm looking forward to it. But got everything loaded down, and if nothing happens, I'll see y'all. And it'll take me about 45 minutes to get over by the time I get the rest of my stuff loaded up. And we're gonna get over and throw some hamburgers and hot dogs and stuff on the grill in a little bit, and just see what we can get into. And the best part about it is having you go along with me. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you over there for a good, exciting camping trip in just a few minutes. Up. I thought they were getting after something, but I reckon it's a false alarm. All right, guys, I'll see y'all over in just a little bit. All right, guys, we're getting close. I'm just gonna bring you back, show you what we're into. It has rained in several weeks, and the night I decided to go camping, we come through one heck of a storm coming over here. We're getting close. I don't think it matters to them. Shady, where you at? I don't think it matters to them that it's raining. But I was kind of hoping to get over here and get set up before the rain got too carried away. But we're gonna do some good sleeping tonight if it continues to do this. I'll bring y'all right back. All right, guys, we just turning in here. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get back here or not where I want to go. We got a pretty good road up until we get to the other side of the lake over here, but oh my goodness, it is just coming down. But I tell you what, make it or not, we'll all do it together. How about that? What y'all think about it? I ain't got got no air conditioner. This old truck, and it's done got muggy in here because I've had to shut all the windows. Can't get in my lap now. Too hot for all that. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can ease on back here. I'm gonna have to lay this camera down. I'll be right back with y'all. Alright guys, we back here. We made it. It's coming out so hard right now though. I'm not fixing to get out of this truck. I don't want to get this drowned. We're in a beautiful place back here. It's a nice little lake pond right over there. Beautiful woods. Maybe to slack off a little bit and I can get out and get my awning set up. At least get somewhere I can stay dry. What do y'all think about it? Huh? Y'all about ready to get out? Alright guys. We got her set up. Oh my goodness, I got soaked too. I got drowned. Show you a little bit of what I got going on here. Show you our setup for the night. It's near about completely dark. You sure can't tell it with this camera. This camera gathers the light real good. But anyways, this is my setup for tonight. I use the trailer that I bring the side by side over here. I use it as a deck. We already got some charcoal going on. I'm gonna throw some hamburgers down here in just a little bit, and I'll show you my bed. I got air conditioning. It shoves in that little hole right there, and I do have a little generator. It's one of them quiet ones, ultra quiet ones, and it's not very loud. I'll take it out yonder and set it up in them trees if I need to run this air conditioning. But that's a full-size bed in there. Got plenty of room down the side there, and then got plenty of sleeping room in there. I sure do like it. It works real good. I would like to have got all this set up before this rain started, and then I wouldn't have got drowned. But anyway, I got the awning set up now to where it's not if it does, and it's starting to sprinkle rain again now, I can get out of the rain now, and the dogs can too. But anyways, we look like wet rats. Everything around here got drenched. I mean soaking wet, including me and my babies. Side to side got drowned. But guys, it sure is pretty out here. There's a field right out there. I'm not sure what my brother got planted there. I would guess it would be some sort of oats, grain sorghum. I think it looks like sorghum from here. But it sure is pretty back here. Sure is nice. But I'm gonna get some stuff. I got a little bit more tidying up to do to kind of get stuff rearranged to where it flows good through here, and I can just step right over in the camper off the trailer here. But let me get this camera set up a little bit better, and we're gonna throw some hamburgers down. I'll be right back. All right, y'all move. We got to get some. I'm sorry, Sonny Bunny. I'm sorry, baby girl. gotta get some food out, going down. You know, when you get around there and knock the grill over, babies. I'll back up. Back, you savage beast. I'm going to get them a hamburger down. They're frozen, so it's going to take a little bit longer on theirs. You gotta wait till I kick. Wait till I get them cooked here, buddy. He's trying to eat them before I even get them cooked. I got trash bags here somewhere. What did I do with them? There they are. Right there. All right, Shady, move now. I'm having a hamburger tonight too, guys. I'm gonna have me a hamburger and a salad. Let's get that lid on that. Excuse me. Excuse me. My deck is a little bit too tight the way I got it. I tried to get everything set up under the awning, and it didn't work as good as I thought it was going to, because it's just too crowded with these dogs all up in here. But I can move everything back. It's just going to be out from under my canopy, which is fine. I hope that rain's gone. It sprinkled just a little bit a few minutes ago, but I think it's about gone. I'm hoping it is anyways. What do you think, Shady Boy? There's Shady right there. Yeah, there was Shady Boy. You won't have hamburgers and it ain't ready yet. Y'all give me just a few minutes though and it will be. Yep. We kind of flying by the seat of our britches on this trip, just because, for the simple fact that I've never done this actual setup with all three of the dogs. I've done the awning and the sleeping in the truck, but not using this trailer as a deck. But it was an idea, and I'm gonna have to push everything further back to give me a little bit more room. But I think it's gonna work out great. I think it's gonna be fine. Shady, you hear something? Huh? You hear something? I hear a car over yonder somewhere's on the highway, I believe. Boy, that grill sure is smelling good. What you hear out there, Shady? You hear something? Huh? You hear something, buddy? me get y'all set up a little bit better, guys. All right, guys, that might be a little bit better right there. I don't know. It's so dark, I can't see nothing out here, but you can't tell it through the camera. That camera sure makes it look bright. What do you think about it, or somebody? Huh? I'm working on it. I'm working on some supper for y'all. You sure are beautiful, even though you wet. You look like a wet rat, but you're still pretty. Look at that, say boy. What you getting into back here, baby? Huh? What you doing, man? I'm gonna go ahead and throw my salad together right here. You know what? I might be having a dry salad because I didn't get no ranch, but it'll be all right. I got a mixture of stuff in there I can put on it. It'll be fine. Let me check these burgers right quick. No, we need to let them lay just a little while longer before I worry about turning them. Excuse me. Excuse me. Okay, y'all, excuse me. Oh, I got some cheese down there. Putting a little bit of homemade ranch on that. See what that tastes like. I'm gonna ask a blessing, folks. Give me just a minute. Father, I do love you and appreciate your goodness. I'm thankful this day. Thank you for the rain, Lord. We sure needed it. I ask God that you'd help us to be safe, protect us. I ask also, Lord, you bless this food. Let me know what you think. In Christ's name I pray. Amen. Pretty good. That's pretty good salad. Just come down here in the woods and throw something together. Oh, it's hot. Gotta fire that generator up. Get that air going. Check these burgers right quick. Oh yeah, I think they're about ready to turn. And I'll put that right there. They ain't gonna hurt nothing right there. Oh my goodness, guys. These is coming on great. You talking about smelling good, aren't you? Golly. Yeah, buddy. It won't be long now, babies. It won't be long now. Here's some dark wood right there, guys. I may try sleeping without the air conditioning because it's done cooled off a bunch. And I got my fan. My fan runs off at my power bank right there. So yeah, I think I don't think I'll use that air conditioner tonight. We'll see. All right, guys, I'm fixing to get this food plated up, and we'll sit down here and eat us a hamburger together in just a few minutes. Be right back. All right, guys, we're sitting here. They happily waiting. Y'all are so patient. Y'all happy? You smelled it? You smelled those good hamburgers, huh? I got them plated up here, guys. I'm fixing to put them all together. And finish eating my supper. I had the salad. Boy, that salad was good. It turned out real good. I believe I'll sit down here. And I'm sorry about all this video shaking around, guys. It's a good setup I got. I just ain't used to where everything is. Let's see if I can break this here off and get it where it's cool enough for my dogs to eat. Oh yeah, look at the doggone bugs out here. I guess that rain. Woo woo! That air is hot, 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 hot. We're gonna let them cool just a little bit, babies. Oh yeah, this light's what's bringing them bugs in here. Oh yeah, they're gone now. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna sit down right here and go ahead and get them fed. A couple of these is done cooled a little bit. No shady. There you go. That too hot for you, huh? I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to let them cool, y'all. That's too hot. Yeah, it feels, yeah, the mush's cool enough. You just have a hard time swallowing it, baby, huh? I sure do love y'all. I love getting out, enjoying time with y'all. Yes, I do. Okay, there you go, Rose Posey. There you go, Rose Posey. There you go, said boy Messer. And there goes Sun Bunny. There's Sun Bunny. We're gonna finish these here up and then Daddy's gonna have one. That be alright with y'all? Daddy has one. Can Daddy have one? Here's Sun Bunny. Here was Posey. You said boy. Here's somebody. All right, let Daddy have him one now. Does that be all right with y'all? All right, guys, I'm fixing to sit down here and I'm gonna go ahead and finish my supper up, and then I'll give the dog some. We're gonna sit around here and chat with them for a little bit. I'll bring y'all back in a little bit. We keep hearing something out here in these woods. Sounds like something big walking around. The dog's about to drive them crazy. And I thought we'd walk out here and see what we could find. There's probably a deer or something walking through here. It could be an old coyote, or there's all kind of different animals out here in these woods, but my guess would be it's a deer walking through out here. I don't see nothing. I don't want to get too far away from the campsite. It just come another shower. Y'all don't go that. Come on this way. Y'all go over and get in that water, and then it'll be time to go to bed here in a little bit. Come another good shower just a few minutes ago. I'm hoping it's about gone. Let's head on back to camp. I figured I'd come over here and spook up a coyote or a deer or something out there, but I heard something and the dogs went crazy. It's so thick out there, something's out there walking around. I wouldn't ever see them, but I heard something. I ain't really no telling what it was. They ain't gonna get too far away from Daddy. I don't think they hang close to protect me. I think they hanging close so I can protect them, is what I think. Who knows? There ain't no telling. It sure is a lot of fun getting out with my animals. They wanting to go for a ride. Let me grab my ginger ale. We'll take them for a little ride. Close this down. Them doggone bugs, I should have had that closed earlier. Them bugs are gathering up all around them little old night lights. I'm gonna turn them things off. Man, it's dark out here without them. Good night. Oh, whoa, I hear thunder. It is some kind of dark out here. Let's crank this thing here up. go. Let's get in there. See if we can get dried off a little bit, and then we'll get up there and get ready for bed. Ooh, them rain brought some kind of more bugs out. I wish it'd get down to about 30 degrees for a few days. 25 degrees and kill some of these doggone bugs. Let me put this dressing and all up here right quick. Alright guys, we fixing to do around and get ready for bed. Something exciting comes up, I'll bring y'all right back. If not, we'll see y'all in the morning. White grill still getting it. Good night, guys. Morning, guys. It's 3:30 in the morning. Just wanted to get on here right quick, give y'all a quick update. We're sleeping pretty good. I actually slept real good up till right about now. But we all got up, got the dogs out, let them use the bathroom. Shady. Here you are, boy. But we all in here snuggled up. It was kind of hot earlier in the night. I got my fan over here in the window. Got a good cross draft open this other window. I hadn't had to run the air conditioner at all. The generator or nothing. I got my power bank running, my little fan there. It's actually kind of nice in here. It's not bad at all. The rain finally got gone. I got up, let everybody use the bathroom, and wanted to touch base with everybody. We sleeping rather comfortable. I'll probably get up a couple hours, get some coffee on, and I'll be right back with y'all. I appreciate all y'all watching this. The dogs appreciate y'all coming along. We having a blast. We'll see y'all in a little bit longer. Good morning, guys. It's time to get up. It's pitch dark out here. Maybe you can see a little bit of what's going on. The sky's trying to light up a little bit. It's had a good night, slept good. Rain finally moved on out. It's very comfortable. I could have slept another hour or two, I think. It's very comfortable in there. I'm gonna get some coffee on. Yeah, there we go. See a little bit right there. I'm gonna get some coffee on and throw something down on the grill for the dogs to eat, for me to eat. I got some eggs and sausage, and probably give out a hamburger patty or something. Y'all hearing all kind of boogers out there, ain't you? But we heard there was something running through the trees back over there, sounded like. It's got the dogs all excited. But sure glad y'all come along with us. Give me just a minute, get some coffee on, and give the dogs a chance to settle down. And get some breakfast on the grill. And we'll see y'all in just a few minutes. Alright guys, it's getting on up to daylight now. It's still pretty dark. I can see around a lot better. I got my awning shade there put up. Got some breakfast on. I'm having some sausage and eggs. And got them some hamburger patties. They're gonna help me eat that sausage too. And Got my cup of coffee going. That's about a first thing right there. Get me a cup of coffee going. It sure feels good this morning. Looks like it's gonna be cloudy, but it actually feels pretty nice out. It's a little humid, I guess, from all that rain, but not too terribly bad. It's nice waking up in the woods like this, seeing the world come alive. There won't be no sunrise this morning. It's too cloudy, too hazy. But it sure is pretty. It's nice out here. The dogs finally run all the boogers off. They settled down. They're waiting on their breakfast this morning. Yeah, y'all sleep good? You sleep good, Rose Posey? Huh? Old son Bunny? Sadie, he'd go back to sleep. Yeah, buddy. It's nice being out here. I wish I could do it more often, but unfortunately I gotta work to pay for it. I know y'all know the feeling. I did wind up getting up, I guess about 4:30. Battery died on my little fan and it got a little bit of stuff in there, so I got up, cranked the generator up, turned that air conditioner on right there. Man, whew, it had the window sweating in there. It was cold. It done a good job though. That little old generator I got, inverter, extra quiet or something like that, but it's very quiet. I could hear a little old rumble. Well, of course I had it about 100 feet over, I guess, but done real good. I'm pleased with the way it went. All right, guys, I'm gonna get my eggs down here in a minute, and we're gonna have some breakfast, and we're gonna wrap this thing up here in just a little bit. All right, guys, just like that, we got another one over with. What are y'all doing off? Y'all done loaded up? I thought y'all ready to go. I got everything loaded up, guys. We ready to call it the morning. It's kind of early. Well, it's 8 o'clock, which is kind of early. I normally like to hang around a little bit longer than this, but I got to work tonight, so I got to go home and get a shower and all, and kind of chill and relax till the night. Then I can go to work, get started on the weekend. Guys, I can't tell you enough how much I appreciate it. It's a pleasure getting out and doing this kind of stuff. Pleasure getting out and being with my dogs. But it makes it even nicer knowing that you come along with me. If you like this kind of footage, I can't say it enough. Hit that thumbs up button for me. If you don't like it, hit the thumbs down twice for me. That'd do me a big favor. Seriously, comment, tell me what you like, what you don't like, what you'd like to see us do, and I got some other ideas and plans coming. Hope it's a little bit cooler the next month or so. We still got some warm days, I know, but we get some cooler nights, it'll make it a lot more. Y'all ready to go? Y'all ready? She come over here and rear it up on me like, shit, hey, come on, Daddy, I'm ready to go. But was real comfortable in my truck last night. Had a blast. Got a lot of ideas coming. Leave a comment. Tell me what you like, what you'd like to see us do, and what you don't like. I can take it either way, and we'll build this channel from there with your help. Love you guys. I appreciate you. God bless you. See you on the next 3-Dog Adventure. Load up. Load up. Shady up. Sonny, up. Shady, get up. He's hard-headed.